Think about this for a moment. What would you do if something unexpected happened tomorrow? Your car breaks down, $1,200 repair. A medical bill shows up, $15,000. Or worse, you lose your job and have no income for 2 months. Do you have an emergency fund? Do you have even $1,000 saved? Be honest. Most people under 30 would answer no. And then they panic. They borrow from family, max out a credit card, or take a high-interest loan. That cycle keeps you poor. But here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to have an emergency fund. You just need a plan. Today, I'll show you how to build a safety net from zero in just 6 months, without earning an extra dollar, just by redirecting what you already spend. More than half of Americans under 30 have less than $1,000 saved. Many have nothing. Building an emergency fund is not only possible, you can do it in 6 months. The biggest trap is thinking you need to earn more before you can save. That's a lie. If you can't save $100 on $3,000, you won't save $1,000 on $5,000 because expenses rise with income. That's lifestyle creep. The solution is to flip the formula. Most people do income minus expenses equals savings. That rarely works. Instead, do income minus savings equals expenses. Pay yourself first. Move money before you see it. Let's say you take home $3,200 per month. Saving 10%, $320, gives you $1,920 in 6 months. That's a decent starter fund, but I want you to aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. For someone spending $2,500 a month, a 3-month fund is $7,500. That's aggressive, but we'll break it down into small steps. Here's your 6-month blueprint. Month 1, awareness. Track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Rent, coffee, subscriptions, everything. Most people find $300 to $500 of invisible spending. That's your first win. Month 2, cut the fat. Identify 3 categories to reduce. Eat out less, make coffee at home, keep only 2 streaming services. Cutting just $10 a day saves $300 a month. $1,800 in 6 months. No deprivation, just redirection. Month 3, automate. Open a separate high-yield savings account not linked to your checking. Set an automatic transfer on payday. Start with the $300 you saved from cuts. You won't miss it because you never see it. Month 4, no spend week. 1 week per month, spend only on rent, utilities, groceries, and work transport. No eating out, no shopping. That saves $100 to $200 per week. Do this once a month for 3 months. Add $300 to $600 to your fund. Month 5, small side income. On weekends, do freelance writing, virtual assisting, pet sitting, or sell unused items. 5 hours a week can bring $200 to $300 a month. Put every dollar into your emergency fund. That's $1,200 to $1,800 over 6 months. Month 6, final push. Sell anything you haven't used in a year. Old electronics, clothes, that's another $200 to $500. Also put any tax refund, bonus, or gift into the fund. Now how much do you actually need? Essential expenses, rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum loan payments, transport. Not vacations or dining out. If your essentials are $2,400 a month, a 3-month fund is $7,200. 6 month is $14,400. The 6-month plan above gets you to about $3,000 to $5,000. Enough for 1 to 2 months of expenses. That covers most common emergencies: car repair, dental bill, last-minute flight. A $15,000 medical bill is bigger, so you'll need to continue saving beyond 6 months. But once you have $3,000, you can breathe easier and keep going. Most people fail because they raid the fund for non-emergencies. A new phone, concert tickets. Set strict rules. An emergency is unexpected, necessary, and urgent. Losing your job? Emergency. $15,000 medical bill? Emergency. A friend's wedding? No. Keep the money in a separate account without a debit card. Make it annoying to withdraw. What if you have debt? Save a $1,000 starter fund first, then attack high-interest debt. Credit cards over 10%. Once debt is gone, Go back to building your full fund. Without that $1,000 buffer, any small emergency forces you into new debt. What if you live paycheck to paycheck? Look closer. A $15 subscription, a $5 daily snack, that's $150 a month. Switch to store brands, carpool, negotiate your bills. If truly nothing is left, increase income. Roommate, overtime, weekend gig. Even $100 extra a week changes everything. Real story, Sarah, 28, a teacher making $3,800 a month. She had $200 saved. She tracked spending and found $400 on eating out and $150 on subscriptions. She cut eating out to $100, kept 2 subscriptions, packed lunch, saved $350. She automated $300 into a separate account. She tutored 2 hours every Saturday for $50 per hour, an extra $400 a month. In 6 months, she saved $4,200. When her car needed a $1,200 repair, she paid cash. No debt, no panic. Imagine if she kept going. Another 6 months would bring over $8,000. Your 6-month action plan in 10 steps. Open a separate high-yield savings account today. Calculate your monthly essential expenses and your target starter fund. $1,000 or 1 month. Track every dollar for 30 days. Cut at least $200 from non-essentials. Automate that $200 on payday. Do one no-spend week each month. Find a weekend side gig for $200 to $300 a month. Put every windfall, bonus, tax refund gift into the fund. Never touch the fund unless a true emergency hits, like a $15,000 medical bill or job loss. After reaching $1,000, either continue to 3 months or switch to paying off high-interest debt. The mental game matters. Every dollar saved buys you a day of safety. Imagine having $15,000 in an account. A medical bill comes, you pay it without stress. You lose your job, you have months to find another. That peace of mind is priceless. Celebrate small wins. $500, $10 coffee, $1,000, a movie. 1 month of expenses, cook a nice dinner at home. Just don't spend more than 1% of your fund on rewards. Where to keep the fund? High-yield savings account or money market account. Not stocks, not crypto, not bonds. You need liquidity. Access within 24 to 48 hours with no risk of loss. A stock market crash right when you need $15,000 would be a disaster. Keep it boring, keep it safe. What counts as an emergency? Ask, if I don't pay this, will my health, housing, or job be at immediate risk? A broken tooth? Yes. A $15,000 hospital bill? Yes. A new laptop because you want a faster one? No. A plane ticket to a family funeral? Yes. A vacation? No. Be honest. If you cheat, you'll never build real security. Already have some savings? Accelerate. If you have $1,000, aim for $10,000. Cut deeper, earn more. The system works at any level. Worried you'll never need it? Then you've won. You have options. Start a business, down payment on a house, a career break. But most people will need it. The average American faces an emergency expense every 12 to 18 months. When that happens, you'll be the calm one writing a check while others cry and borrow. Let's recap the numbers for a typical single person earning $3,500 a month with $2,800 expenses. Month 1, find $300 waste. Month 2, cut and automate $300. Saved $600. Month 3, no spend week saves $150, total $750. Month 4, side gig $250 plus no spend $150 equals $400 this month, total $1,150. Month 5, another $700, total $1,850. Month 6, sell unused items $300 plus no spend $150 plus regular $550 equals $1,000. Final total $2,850. That's more than 1 month of expenses. In 6 months, you go from $0 to nearly $3,000. Continue for another 6 months, and you'll have over $6,000. In 2 years, you could reach $15,000, enough to cover that major medical bill. Here's my challenge to you. Tonight, open your banking app and check your savings. If it's below $1,000, comment, "I'm starting my 6-month emergency fund today." Then, take one small action, open that separate account, or cancel one unused subscription. Don't wait for January 1st. Don't wait for a raise. Start now with whatever you have. The first $100 is the hardest. After that, it becomes a habit. A year from now, you will thank yourself. If this video gave you a clear roadmap, hit like so more people in their 20s can see it. Share it with a friend who always says they can't save. Subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense financial guides. Your future self is counting on you. Let's build that emergency fund.